Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up Brother DCP L3510CDW printer and download or install drivers. So first of all, open browser and then search here printer. Now click on official website and then select a window and click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files. Now here you can install your printer driver. Now here you can see it will be installed. Now go back and then open settings and click on printer and drivers. Click on add drivers and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add your printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.